Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to get Vanguard clothes in Roblox. Start by opening Roblox, search Vanguard clothing items, and bookmark the creators you like. Join relevant groups that release exclusive items and enable group store access. Watch for announcements on creator pages and follow social channels for drops. Keep Robux available for purchases and be ready to trade or buy quickly when limited items appear, so you don't miss out. To find Vanguard clothing, use targeted searches and apply filters for best results. Look through creator profiles for direct links to their catalogs and check group stores for member-only items. Use the recently added filter to catch fresh releases and sort by popularity to find popular Vanguard pieces. Bookmark promising items and follow creators to get notified of new drops or restocks, which helps you act fast when exclusive clothes go live. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more tips. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long Roblox sessions and fits cup holders for on-the-go play, making it perfect for collection hunts. I find it saves me from spills and keeps energy up when grinding for Vanguard drops. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When purchasing or trading Vanguard clothes, prepare Robux ahead of time and act quickly on limited drops. Always confirm item details and seller credibility before trading, and use Roblox trade system to protect transactions. Join trading communities and watch market prices to spot fair deals or opportunities to buy rare pieces. Stay patient, set budgets for purchases, and consider trading lower value items to gradually build a Vanguard wardrobe.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.